Froggy's life cycle. Hop, skip, and a jump. Hey, I'm a frog, green and small. In ponds and leaves, I spring and crawl. With a jump, I leap high and wide. On lily pads, I love to glide. Okay, young friends, gather near. Let's explore my life right here. From an egg to a frog, you'll see how I grow, step by step with me. In the pond so calm and slow, Mommy Frog lays eggs below. Jelly eggs float in a clump, soft and round in one big bump. Inside each egg, babies grow. Out they hatch with tails to swim, no legs yet, just tail and fin. Tadpoles wiggle all around, in the water where they're found. They eat plants and tiny bits, breathing through gills as they sit. Back legs grow, what a sight! Front legs pop out, small and light. Tails shrink down, getting small, lungs grow strong to help them call. Now they breathe the air above, little froglets we can love. No more tail, now fully grown, strong back legs help them roam. On land and water they can live, croaking loud, a call they give. Adult frogs will lay eggs too, and start the whole life cycle new. From egg to tadpole in the pond, to froglet growing strong and fond, to adult frog that hops so free, that is the life cycle of me. Learn the stages one by one, watch how nature gets it done.